forces out. We have Injury, pass to begin, moving up in the middle comes Prince Lawi, Mr. Cool, Old Reliable about 5 wide, then followed by Pandora, Hari Parin comes next, and going along for the first turn we have Prince Lawi, takes the lead by about 2 lengths, and in second is Mr. Cool, Old Reliable is sorry outside third, then followed by Hari Parin, Injury comes next, then followed over the inside by Runway 06. As they swing down the back, Prince Lawi by about 4 lengths. Mr. Cool still in second, moving up down the inside is Injury, Hari Parin, Pandora also moving up. Then followed by Runway 06, Calvin's Magic, Bullish Dream, and Mighty Might. Prince Lawi this time by about 4 lengths. Mr. Cool remains in second. Pandora now moving up to take third. And in fourth comes Runway 06, Calvin's Magic. Prince Lawi this time by about 4 lengths. Mr. Cool remains in second as they come down the last 200. Prince Lawi by about 4 lengths. Mr. Cool remains in second. Moving up on the outside is Pandora. Last 150. We have Rap Sordan Alcantara on Prince Lawi by about 3 lengths. And finally Prince Lawi, Mr. Cool, Pandora, Runway 06. Old